The greater flamingo is the tallest flamingo, standing 120 to 150 centimeters and weighing up to 3.5 kilograms, 7.7 pounds. The lesser flamingo is the smallest flamingo, standing 80 centimeters, 31.5 inches, and weighing only 2.5 kilograms, 5.5 pounds. Males reach full size between 1.5 and 2 years. Male flamingos are slightly larger than females, weighing more and having longer wingspans. However, visual sex determination of flamingos is unreliable. The wingspan of flamingos ranges from 95 to 100 centimeters, 37 to 39 inches, for the lesser flamingo to 140 to 165 centimeters, 55 to 65 inches, for the greater flamingo. The Caribbean flamingo has a wingspan of 150 centimeters, 59 inches. Adult feathers have a small, delicate accessory feather arising from the main feather at the point where the quill merges into the shaft of the feather. This is called an aftershaft. Contour feathers cover all of the body except the bill and scaled parts of the legs and feet. They protect the skin from damage and help streamline the flamingo for flight.